Want to know how to check your Agoda cash in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Agoda.com website. So once you have opened up your website here, you should be seeing on the top right side your profile. So if you don't see it, you need to log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, just simply select this USD0 icon right here or this arrow. So this will just drop out and here you should be seeing Agoda Cash. So you can just simply select it, and once you have selected Agoda Cash here, you should be seeing USD0 or the amount of cash that you have right now. So you can just simply redeem cards as well and also add Agoda Cash accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you check your Agoda Cash. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.